Today's tutorial is about how you can descend gently to the floor. In other words, how to fall gracefully. There are two separate ways that I'm showing you. One which is kind of with a roll to the side, and one is straight from standing and all the way down to the ground. Basically, the first thing you need to know about descending gracefully is that do not use your bones. Do not. Use your muscles. So especially when you're doing this first roll, which kind of looks like this, the most important thing is to use the side of your leg. Very important. Use the side of your leg. The other thing that's important is use your hands and your feet and your body to push against the ground. Now, it's not that you're stiff and you kind of collide against the ground. It's that you actually push against the floor. Honestly, the reason that this works is all due to physics, right? Every action has an equal and opposite reaction, and so the more that you push against the floor pushes against you. If you don't believe me, ask Sir Isaac Newton. He's the one who came up with it. So basically, the way this roll works to the side is that as you, let's say you're using your right leg, you're going to fold your right leg underneath you using the side of your leg, not your ankle, not your knee, but basically the side of your calf, the side of your foot, the side of your thigh. You're going to reach down and put your right hand on the ground to soften that, and you're really pushing against the floor, and you lower yourself down so you're sitting, and then you keep rolling from there. Now what you do after that is up to you. You can stay on the floor, or you can keep rolling and use your left leg to basically push against the floor and stand back up. It's a lovely little thing. This roll is very common, but it's definitely an impressive thing to be able to do. The second way that I'm going to show you is from standing basically into this star space. And this kind of starfish shape is the start of a lot of other floor work. So if you can see, there's a suggested video coming up right now, which is basic floor work, and we work with that star shape. So the way it works is that you basically just drop from standing into this little ball. Some people can't do this position because of their Achilles heels. So if you're having trouble with it, so try and work on stretching those Achilles. So you drop into this little ball, and then what you have to do is gently, as you are touching your tush to the floor, you are unrolling your spine. Basically, you don't want to clunk your tailbone into the ground. Honestly, it's not fun. Just don't do it. And you're quickly kind of unrolling your spine so that the impact is spread out across your back, and it's not an impact at all. It's just a soft little unrolling. And when you do it fast, it looks like this, and it's quite impressive. Obviously, start slowly and work your way up. So these are basically two really basic ways that we use to get down on the ground. There's lots of different variations, and I'll work with them. I'll do tutorials about them later, but this is kind of a place to start as, you know, for your first practice. If you have any questions or comments or concerns, let me know in the comments and I will try to get back to you. Make sure you're doing all the various YouTube things so you get notified when new videos come out. Hey guys, are you interested in special behind-the-scenes content, Zoom workshops, early access to content, and much, much more? You can get all of these benefits by signing up to support me on Patreon, which helps me continue my work as an artist alongside the general daily grind of stuff that I have to do to make ends meet. You can head over to patreon.com/JillianRhodes-the-Performer. There's a lot of incredible benefits at the different tiers, so check it out, and I hope to see you there. Thank you so much for your support, and I'll see you next time.